Alright, well, final thoughts. Everything's back together. I went ahead and also changed out my power steering hose, which is right here, so I had to refill it. I gotta bleed that out. Haven't started it yet. Checked and double checked, making sure all my hoses are back on and proper, and all my bolts are back in. So I guess I'll bring you to whether or not it starts. You guys ready? You guys ready to see? So what I'm gonna do is let it prime, fill up everything, fuel filter, rail, and here we go. Okay. Well, it started. So I guess I gotta work out some kinks. So we'll see what's up. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Take care. Have a good weekend.